Astronauts have long captured the public's imagination, symbolizing humanity's quest for exploration and the pursuit of the unknown. Whether they are venturing into space, discovering alien worlds, or confronting the deepest questions about existence, novels featuring astronauts often mix scientific realism with philosophical and emotional depth. These stories not only explore the technical and physical challenges of space travel, but also delve into the human condition, resilience, and our place in the cosmos. Here are 10 novels where astronauts take center stage, navigating both outer space and the complexities of their own lives. Number 1. The Martian by Andy Weir. Andy Weir's novel, The Martian, published in 2014, is a gripping survival story about astronaut Mark Watney, who is stranded on Mars after a botched mission. With only his wits and a limited supply of food and equipment, Watney must find a way to survive while NASA and his crew work to bring him home. The novel blends hard science fiction with humor and intense suspense, showcasing an astronaut's resilience in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. Weir's meticulous attention to scientific accuracy adds to the realism, making it a must-read for anyone fascinated by space exploration. Number 2. Contact by Carl Sagan. In Carl Sagan's novel Contact, Dr. Ellie Arroway, an astronomer and astronaut, embarks on a journey of discovery after receiving a message from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. The novel explores themes of science, faith, and the possibility of intelligent life beyond Earth. As Ellie becomes the first human to make contact with alien intelligence, her journey into space also becomes a deeply personal exploration of belief, truth, and humanity's place in the universe. Sagan, a renowned astrophysicist, blends his scientific expertise with philosophical inquiry, making this novel a timeless classic of space exploration and discovery. Number 3. The Right Stuff by Tom Wolfe. The Right Stuff, first published in 1979, is a non-fiction novel that takes a deep dive into the lives of the astronauts who made up the Mercury 7, America's first astronauts. Wolfe captures the grit, determination, and bravery of these men as they became pioneers of space travel. Though focused on the real-life events of the early space program, the novel's vivid prose and exploration of the astronauts' personal challenges make it read like gripping fiction. Wolfe's portrayal of the men who face the unknown with courage is both inspiring and fascinating, capturing the essence of what it means to have the right stuff. Number 4. The Calculating Stars by Mary Robinette Kowal. In The Calculating Stars, published in 2018, an alternate history novel by Mary Robinette Kowal, humanity's space race is accelerated by a catastrophic meteorite impact that threatens Earth's survival. The story follows Elma York, a former WASP pilot and mathematician, as she campaigns to become one of the first female astronauts. Kowal's novel focuses on the intersection of space exploration and gender politics, as Elma fights for her place in a male-dominated field. The novel blends personal stakes with the technical and scientific challenges of early space travel, creating a compelling narrative that imagines a future where humanity must take to the stars to survive. Number 5. Artemis by Andy Weir. Artemis, a science fiction novel published in 2017, takes place on the moon and follows Jazz Bashara, a small-time smuggler who becomes embroiled in a high-stakes conspiracy on the lunar city of Artemis. Though Jazz is not an astronaut in the traditional sense, the novel's setting in a fully realized lunar colony and its focus on space technology, lunar geography, and survival make it a standout among space novels. Weir's knack for combining technical detail with a fast-paced plot and a relatable protagonist ensures that captures the spirit of adventure that characterizes astronaut fiction. Number 6. The Forever War by Joe Haldeman. Joe Haldeman's The Forever War, published in 1974, is a military science fiction novel that follows William Mandela, a soldier and astronaut fighting in an interstellar war against an alien species. As Mandela travels through space at near-light speed, he experiences time dilation, which causes the world he left behind to change dramatically while he remains the same. The novel explores the psychological and emotional toll of space travel and warfare, as Mandela struggles to find his place in a world that has moved on without him. Haldeman's own experiences as a Vietnam veteran lend a poignant depth to this exploration of the futility and cost of war. Number 7. Red Mars by Kim Stanley Robinson. In Red Mars, published in 1992, the first book of Kim Stanley Robinson's Mars trilogy, a group of scientists and astronauts land on Mars to begin the long process of colonizing the Red Planet. Robinson's novel is a meticulous exploration of the political, scientific, and environmental challenges of terraforming Mars, with a strong focus on the human relationships that develop among the colonists. The astronauts in this novel are not just explorers but also pioneers, shaping the future of humanity as they confront the moral and ethical implications of their work. Is a landmark in hard science fiction, offering a deeply detailed vision of space colonization. Number 8, A Fall of Moondust by Arthur C. Clarke. Arthur C. Clarke's A Fall of Moondust, first published in 1961, is a tense disaster novel set on the moon, where a tourist hovercraft, Selene, becomes trapped in a sea of lunar dust. The novel follows astronaut Pat Harris and his efforts to lead the passengers to safety in a seemingly hopeless situation. Clarke's novel showcases his skill at creating plausible, scientifically grounded space settings while delivering a suspenseful, character-driven story. The novel's depiction of astronauts as calm, capable leaders in the face of crisis highlights the qualities of ingenuity and perseverance often associated with space explorers. Number 9. Lightless by C.A. Higgins. Lightless by C.A. Higgins, published in 2015, is a space opera that follows Althea, an astronaut and engineer aboard an experimental spacecraft called Ananke. When two strangers board the ship and sabotage its systems, Althea must uncover their motives while also trying to prevent disaster. The novel blends hard science fiction with psychological tension, as Althea confronts both external threats and her own sense of isolation in the cold, unforgiving vacuum of space. This is the first story in Higgins' Lightless trilogy. Higgins' novel is a compelling blend of mystery, space exploration, and human resilience. Number 10. Astronaut Academy, Zero Gravity by Dave Roman. This vibrant graphic novel, published in 2011, invites young readers into a whimsical universe where they can explore the wonders and challenges of space travel through the eyes of a spirited protagonist. The story revolves around the adventures of a boy named Hero, who has been accepted into the prestigious Astronaut Academy, a school dedicated to training future space explorers. As Hero embarks on his journey, he quickly discovers that life at the Academy is far from ordinary. Surrounded by an eclectic group of classmates, each with their own quirks and aspirations, Hero faces a series of amusing challenges that test his resilience and adaptability. From zero-gravity training sessions to alien encounters and intergalactic competitions, the narrative is filled with humor and heart, showcasing the importance of friendship, teamwork, and perseverance. This graphic novel is a perfect blend of fun and inspiration, making it an excellent choice for young readers who dream of exploring the cosmos. This is the first of Roman's 3 Astronaut Academy books. Conclusion. Novels featuring astronauts offer a unique blend of adventure, scientific discovery, and human introspection. Whether they are navigating the vastness of space, grappling with the unknown, or facing the challenges of survival and exploration, these astronauts represent the courage and curiosity that define humanity's drive to explore beyond our world. Through their journeys, readers are invited to contemplate both the wonders of the universe and the complexities of the human spirit.